Hello, I am Sho from VILVA Electronics. I am the International Business Development Manager. Whether the generator's performance meet the required standard must be verified through load testing. At the test site, the generator connected to a VILVA load bank and a step loading test is conducted by simulating actual operating conditions from the light load to full load to verify that the generator's actual output meets rated specifications. Test voltage stability to ensure no fluctuations occur during operations. Evaluate the generator's response speed and recovery capability when subject to sudden load changes, such as sudden application or rejection of load, and evaluate continuous load bearing capacity and heat dissipation performance to prevent malfunctions during the prolonged operation. Load testing also enables an early detection of potential issues such as fuel system malfunctions, supervised system irregularities, insufficient power output and generator aging, thereby providing a reliable basis for factory acceptance and routine maintenance. VILVA load bank feature a high precision load design and support both manual and remote operation, enabling multi-stage automatic loading to provide reliable, accurate data for generators performance testing. Every test serves as a strict validation of quality, and every set of data guarantees stable equipment operation, ensuring the generator remain undamaged the test of every load.